Hi YouTube, I'm PJ, a grown-up human who has always loved Barbie. And I'm on a mission to rescue, restore and rehome Barbie and her friends with people who need her. We've had a disaster in PJ's doll world this week. Yeah, that's not good. But guess what guys, I'm not actually PJ. I don't actually look anything like PJ. So in today's video, we're gonna make PJ's mini-me to take over from me being the host of the show. So sit back, relax, and let's watch PJ make a mini PJ. I hope you enjoy this video. On this mini-me journey, I started by searching for a Barbie with short brown hair. This is the Barbie Signature Looks number 22. In reality, my hair is a little bit shorter and a little bit darker than this doll, but I thought this was a good starting point. I got her from Maya on clearance. You can see she was $54.99 originally and I got her for $35. Let's grab her out of the box. She comes dressed in this gorgeous sparkly pink jumpsuit with these cute little platform heels, and she comes with a doll stand as well. This is a petite doll. I am not what you would consider to be a petite body type. I am quite tall, and so I thought the skin tone was a good match for the boxer made to move. So let's see how they look together. How's the skin tone match for the dolls here? I think that's pretty good actually. I'm really happy with that. Not the best skin tone match for me, but we'll just say that this is my summer color. It's currently winter and I am actually really pasty. In the summer I will tan up. So I was really just looking to get a Barbie with short brown hair. She does have brownish eyes, which is a good match for me. This is actually a really similar lip color and makeup look to what I would normally wear. So it's time to swap bodies, girls. I do want to be able to style this doll's hair, so I'm going to intentionally wet her hair, but this doll, I don't necessarily want to wet her hair just yet, so she's going in a plastic bag and she's going in with no bag so that I can wet her hair. That always looks so wrong, guys, doesn't it? It looks so bad. Okay, it's been about a minute, so let's get these girls out. Whew, that was lucky. How did we go? Did we stay dry? Yes, we did. That's great. I think she needs a little bit longer. Can you see I'm putting a little bit of stress on that? I think I'm just going to have to bite the bullet and stick her in as is. I took her off camera to do that, guys. That was a bit tricky. The rubber inside was getting stuck. Now, in order to fit this doll's head back on this neck peg, I think I'm going to have to trim it down. I think if I just trim it at the apex of this widest part of the neck peg, I think that will be the right measurement. Wish me luck, guys, otherwise I'm in big trouble. Okay, I mean her hair's looking a little worse for wear after being roughed up a little bit. The skin tone match is pretty well perfect, I think. We've got good mobility in her neck there as well, so we can pose and do lots of fun stuff. I'm just going to put her head back in the hot water so I can get the plastic tags out of the back of her head. And I've just realised she's gone for a swim in her crop top. Let's try that again. Back in the water. Styling short hair on dolls is a little bit tricky, it turns out. So let's move on to jewellery. Using my trusty little jewellery making kit from Kmart, we're going to make up a pair of earrings, but first we need to pierce Mini PJ's ears. So I just use a large needle and a pair of pliers. My everyday look for earrings is medium-sized gold hoops, so that's what I've made up for the doll. My other everyday piece of jewellery is a gold locket on a necklace, so I've gone ahead and used the same kit to make up a locket. It just took me a minute to work out what I was going to use to fashion the locket out of. Eventually I settled on the hook part of the earrings that you would use to make dangly earrings. I just turned the hook upside down, trimmed it down, and used what I had cut off to fasten the chain together, and then I was able to attach the other part to the chain. I hope that makes sense. Here's what I ended up with. What do you think? I just need to do a bit more work on her hair here. Still a little bit damp, and really the only hair product I have is hairspray. So I'm going to, rather than spray the doll's face, which I've done in the past, let's try this trick and spray some hairspray on a toothbrush and see if we can get that to work. Really soaking the toothbrush there with the spray. So I know I did wash the product out of her hair. In hindsight, maybe I should have kept it in, but I wanted to see what her hair looked like without the factory product in it. So this hair is a little bit, as I said, a little bit longer than my own hair currently, but I am growing it, so probably by the summer when my skin tone matches, the hair length may also match as well. I'm not sure. I think I need a bit more practice with the short hair styling. It's quite cute though. I quite like it. Let's snip those weird ends off there. Okay, well, that's pretty good. Now it's time to get dressed. When I'm out thrifting for dolls, you will most likely see me in my Levi's, my light wash 501s, and most often a pink sweater and sneakers. That is my go-to everyday doll thrifting shopping outfit. In fact, can you see I'm wearing a pink sweater right now? So let's get this dolly dressed. This outfit's sewing patterns by Plume Miniatures, link in the description. You guys, I am so excited. Look what just arrived, or should I say who just arrived. I have been waiting for the perfect companion to my mini me. I'm really hoping this is going to be the one. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Oh my gosh. This is Mini Me's best friend. Look, he's so cute. Oh, this is perfect. So as you know, I'm focused on doing as little fast fashion or fast purchasing as I possibly can. I've tried to purchase from brands and from places that are as sustainable as possible. In this case, this little guy did come from Temu. I did look at local toy stores. I looked at other online stores in Australia. I just couldn't find the right fit. But is he Barbie size? Stick around to the end of the video to find out. For comparison, here's the Temu dog compared to one that I purchased online, and the one I tried to source from the local store was even smaller again. Mini PJ couldn't be PJ of PJ's Doll World without a doll, right? So I popped to Kmart, and this was the last Mini Barbie Land item on the shelf, and I was lucky enough to pick this whole set up for $4. But really all I'm after for today is the doll. So let's have a look at who we've got. Also, I don't know what that is. That's gross. Anyway, we'll carry on. I'm really just after the little doll here, and we'll unbox the rest another time. Oh! Where'd she go? So who have we got here for Mini PJ's doll? Oh, look! How cute. Oh, there's something else in there. What else have we got? What is this? Oh, no way. It is a little bunny hutch. That is so freaking tiny. Look at this, you guys. Tiny little pet bunny rabbit. Mini doll for Mini PJ. How cute. let's put the whole look together. So here she is, her finished look, mini PJ ready to go in a mini doll haul. She's already picked up her first little doll and she's got her mobile phone ready for recording and little shopping bag. What do you think, guys? I think she's turned out really sweet. So much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you. And seeing as you've come this far, why not like, comment and subscribe? You'll see me in the next video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!